Mohima, we have so many duties in the world. Where is the time for sadhana? Master, why should you say such a thing? It is you who describe the world as illusory, like a dream. Ram and Lakshman wanted to go to Lanka, but the ocean was before them. Lakshman was angry. Taking his bow and arrow, he said, I shall kill Varuna. This ocean prevents our going to Lanka. Ram explained the matter to him, saying, Lakshman, all that you are seeing is unreal, like a dream. The ocean is unreal. Your anger is also unreal. It is equally unreal to think of destroying one unreal thing by means of another. Mohima Charun kept quiet. He had many duties in the world. He had lately started a school to help others. Master, to Mohima. Shambhu once said to me, I have some money. It is my desire to spend it for good works, for schools and dispensaries, roads, and so forth. I said to him, it will be good if you can do these works in a selfless spirit. But it is extremely difficult to perform unselfish action. Desire for fruit comes from nobody knows where. Let me ask you something. Suppose God appears before you. Will you pray to Him then for such things as schools and dispensaries and hospitals? A devotee. Sir, what is the way for worldly people? Master, the company of holy men. Worldly people should listen to spiritual talk. They are in a state of madness, intoxicated with woman and gold. A drunkard should be given rice water as an antidote. Drinking it slowly, he gradually recovers his normal consciousness. A worldly person should also receive instructions from a Sadguru, a real teacher. Such a teacher has certain signs. You should hear about Benares only from a man who has been to Benares and seen it. Mere book learning will not do. One should not receive instruction from a Pundit who has not realized the world to be unreal. Only if a Pundit has discrimination and renunciation is he entitled to instruct. Shamadhyay remarked that God was dry. Think of his speaking like that of him who is the embodiment of sweetness. It sounds like the remark, "My uncle's cowshed is full of horses." All laugh.